I have my Lenovo K8 Note, and my Lenovo charger is making sound. This is the adapter of the phone AC power supply, and the adapter also. And with my Samsung F5, I have, and that charger was also making sound. Now I plug in it and then connect to it my phone. Wait for a minute, like this, and after some time it starts making sound like bizz. I don't know what is this sound of, but when I start charging, this makes sound. So this is a pretty problem, not only with Lenovo charger, but other companies charger like Samsung, Micromax, Lenovo, etc.